Quickly on this one is volatility 75. I just love using V75. So we are on V75 or V75 in this, and this is 4 hour chart. So I easily do it while I trade. Most of my analysis you see are just my live trade. I use them. I use my real money. I invest. That is what we use. I don't do aftermath, like kind of do all the tutorial you see online. They will use previous price action to teach you. I use present and future price action to teach. Whatever you seeing is what I'm using. I'm trading live. Whatever analysis I'm giving you in any of my video, in any of my clip, anywhere you see it, I use that particular analysis on a live account, except if that condition I gave in that analysis do not meet. Therefore, I will not trade. We will not trade it. Me and my student will not trade it. But for as long that that particular analysis I gave, for as long that it met its condition, I use it. So I don't joke. Okay, so I know what I'm giving you guys. You can be intelligent to catch up. You understand? I'm giving you guys a kind of like call it, I don't want to call it, but you will not understand. But if you're intelligent, you can catch what I'm doing. So right now you can see that this is V75 and this is 4 hours time frame. So you can see that this index current trend is downward, is trending down. Let me show you from here. You see price is coming down, is a downtrend. Understand? If you still want to understand what I mean, you can use the trend line here so you can understand this. Okay, so it's a downtrend. So this one is pointing down. This trend line is pointing down, so it means that it's a downtrend. This can be for the up one. I'll say delete it because I'm not going to use it. It's not drawing here. I'm not going to use it. So it's important, it's good, but I'm not going to use it. So you see it's a downtrend. So price is coming down. You see price is coming down, so it's a downtrend. V75 is a downtrend. And remember, they said make trend your friend. You need to trend with the trend. Don't trade against the trend, except if you want to trade supply and demand, because most of the strategy we use, we also use supply and demand strategy. This is the downtrend, and if you're seeing some of my videos, please don't think because you're seeing moving averages, indicators on my screen that I am relying on them to trade. Please, they are not the reason why I enter trades. I don't follow indicators. Indicators are lagging. Indicators follow price. Indicators don't tell price where to go to. They follow price. You understand? So they are lagging. Most of the indicators you look at, I use indicators just to understand, just to confirm. It's not even the reason why I enter any trade. I don't enter trade because of indicators. I use indicators to confirm what I have already confirmed. That's what I use indicator to do. Without indicators, you can just trade. You can just look at the market. You can just do a naked sketch of the market. You can just get what you want to get out without indicator. You can still analyze the market without indicator and get the accurate entry. Indicators are just an instrument. I don't know whether they are from the brokers. I don't know whether they have a hand in it, just to manipulate the market. So don't be an indicator based trader. Know how to trade without indicators. Just use indicators to confirm what you are doing. You understand? Without indicators, I can still make entries. I don't use indicators. I don't rely on them. I just apply them. I just use them to justify what I'm doing. You understand, guys? So don't follow my indicators thinking I'm following indicators, please. This is just a naked analysis that I'm giving you guys. So, and I'm going to use it on live account. I should wait for price to drop at this zone. Okay, guys, let me delete this trend line. I'm not going to use it. So I'm expecting this downtrend. If this downtrend should come to this zone, all these zones are support. These things are support zones. You see this white trend line, you see this place, there's a support here from 207 to 203. There's going to be a toggle here. So this is where we're going to try our village people today to know if we are going to lose on V75 or if we are going to make money from it. So this is our battle zone. This is where we test our village people. Okay, guys. So I drew this trend line, and how I also know that there's a support here. You should, if you are using my 3K um, my 3K auto support and resistance, you understand why I said how I know that there is a support here. You can still get it done without stressing yourself to get the supports and resistance. So that software helps you to point it out without stress. So if you're using that, that is how I point out this support, and I'm manually trying to sketch it out well, because I need to get all these zones well. So that's what I did. I have to lower down my support to get let me put this one in green, because this is supposed to be a buy zone. So guys, here is the toggle zone. This is where we're going to enter a buy and try to get some money or lose some money today. So we're going to see and confirm this in the next, I don't know when it's going to happen. We'll have to wait until this T and C meet before we take any trade on V75 in this, today being Thursday, the month of March 2024. It took about 6 to 7 hours for VIT 75 to reach this target. Remember, I said that this zone is going to be our battle zone. This is where we're going to. This zone is the kiss zone, is the zone for battle where we test our village people. So I took a sell. Sorry if I did not send this signal to you, because I can't send it all to everyone because of the time this signal came in is late. So I'm expected to hold my sell. Look at my exit point. My exit point should be above this high. I'm gonna lose $467, but my TP, because of the lot size I use, my TP should be here. This thing is going to hit here 154, which is 205. I'm not gonna TP here. I needed more. I want on TP at 321, so I'll get about $321 if I make it to, if V75 is gonna drop to. I prefer a buy, assuming that this index gave me a buy. I would have sent it to everyone confidently. Okay, let's just say that this gave me a buy entry according to the strategy I'm using, and so if this is a buy, let me give us, like, I'll be confident because I will make more money. I'll make more money from this entry, but because this entry is a sell, I lack confidence in it, so the signal is low. So assuming I gave us a buy, look at how much we're going to make from the buy if this is a buy entry. So let's just use this. Okay, I'm supposed to have used buy limit. This is the resistance here. There's a resistance at 211.848. That's the resistance. So above there is my SL. Above there is my SL. So remember, I've not placed it. I'll still place it. So assuming that this thing gave us a buy, look at how much we're going to make from the buy, to 800 and something dollars from the buy, because the buy that is going to activate here is going to take up to 214 resistance. It's going to break this resistance. If it reaches this resistance, it's going to try to come down, back down, or it will break it, and anything that breaks here is going to touch here, which is 214. So we'll make about 830 something dollars. And our SL, my SL, okay, my SL should be here. My SL should be lower here at 213. So you see the RR, my SL should be here, and my TP should be here. So you see what I'm going to lose, what I'm going to benefit. Okay, let's set it. Then we'll come back to this later. Okay, viewers, my profit is in. My profit is in. I'm doing my best to follow up this market. Remember, I have a trend line drawn here. I have a trend line drawn here to get this downtrend structure on V75 index. Let me go to 5 minutes time frame. So, and okay, this is a resistance. This blue line over here is a support. So this is a support. I'm expecting this support to turn into resistance. This is a support here on 5 minutes time frame. So I'm expecting, I was expecting that price is going to reverse back and hit here and continue downwards, but it didn't happen. So that's why I use blue. So, and also you see that there's another resistance here. There's another resistance here. I should use let me change this. It's not blue, it's not SBR, it's not RBS. Resistance becomes support and support becomes resistance. It's not that, so we have to use red. So we have to use this. There's a resistance here at 206, so that's the resistance behind this particular fall. So, and also there's this structure here with trend line. So there's this structure with this trend line here. Put this here, so you can get this structure here. This structure is going to help. This is what price is doing currently right now. So I'm expecting this. I'm looking for. I look forward that this sell is going to hit here. So, but at this point, I can exit my entry, or I can set BE plus to here. So if price reverse before this particular, if reverse against me, break through this trend line here, if price breaks through this trend line here, come up here, then this place is going to touch. So I have to set my BE plus to guide my entry. So if this BE plus, I'm going to make only $32. So that is it, guys. Or I can exit at this point. I am about 200 and something dollars, so I can exit at this point because I didn't trust this entry. So I can exit, I can take my profit at this point, or I can hold or break even this entry. And that is it for V75. Make sure you subscribe and share this video, and you get more and more tips on how to make money from my live section trades. Thank you, and this is your one and only Mr. BTC Bills. Make sure you monitor and control your losses. That is the only way you can make profit in trade. Thank you, guys.